Ariana, what are we doing?
Going to see dinosaur bones.
Dinosaur bones
And rocks.
and rocks. Fernbank, Museum of Natural History.
Whoa, why? We saw a dinosaur bone and we had a little friend coming with us.
These two dinosaurs are the Argentinosaurus and the Giganotosaurus. The Giganotosaurus is slightly bigger than the T-Rex. And the Argentinosaurus is the longest dinosaur in the world. It could get up to 130 feet long. I can't believe how small we are compared to these giant dinosaurs.
We saw dinosaurs and they were so cool. Maggie likes dinosaurs a lot.
And there were lots of seashells.
I love ships because they're so beautiful. And some of them go underwater.
In this area, kids get to explore different animal habitats, like underwater, treetops, or caves. I wonder if it's going to rain. Let's check the weather.
You're a good weatherman.
And then we found the outside obstacle course and playground. The kids played for a really long time.
I want to go there again. And I can't believe it was so fun. I hope Maggie gets up of them and down from them. Just copy her, just in case baby leaves.
Then, Max got to play in the waterfall.
I know.
It's time to go home, but we'll look at the dinosaurs one last time.
Whoa, why?